Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy. Yes, this is Flying Skies One welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. Today I have brought you a review on, of course, this is not momos as you see in the picture. These are buns. These are soft, fluffy buns. It's ready to eat. I'll show you how in the later part of the video. But before that, let me tell you what are these buns. This is an instant snack. These are soft, fluffy buns, as I told earlier, with the yummy filling inside. You will love it. And as you see in the picture, all the ingredients are given that go into these buns. These are made of maida. It costs 199 rupees, and the expiry date also is given. You have got 3 ways to cook. Today I'll show you only one way, that is pan fry, and rest of the 2 ways you can try it by yourself. These comes with resealable pack, and these are available on online stores. I'll provide the link in the description box. You can check out. This brand is Prasuma. This exists since 1985. Now we'll see what's there in the pack, right? You have got 6 buns here. You can have this in the mornings as breakfast or in the evenings as snack. You will love it. This is pretty soft. As you see in the picture, they're just like momos, but don't mistake by momos because the taste would be different from them. These are buns. And most interesting part of this is these buns are without preservatives, and happily you can have them without any guilt. As you see in the picture, have unpacked them and taken a pan, have put 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Then I have dropped all the buns into the pan as you see in the picture. Now just turn on the flame of this pan and flip all the buns. This is the difficult part that you got to do, because if you don't flip properly, they get burnt and the taste would be bitter. So make sure that you flip the buns. It takes max 5 minutes of time to see the buns turn crisp and soft. If any of you watching my video for the first time and are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. Subscribing will help me out to grow the channel. And thank you all for subscribing to Flying Skies One. Okay, coming back to the buns. You see all the buns turn crisp. Now you can turn off the flame. How they look? They look amazing, right? They are super yum to eat. You will love it once you have to taste this. Prasuma buns, right? I'll provide the link in the description box. You can check out. You can buy them and have ones because the taste is amazing. You will love it. Now you see how the bun is. I'll cut and show you how it looks. This is more delicious with the stuffing inside, and you can have them with dips or sauce or ketchup, whatever you call. This is all for today. If you liked the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications, as I said earlier, and keep sharing and liking to help the channel grow. Thank you all once again. Have a good day. Keep smiling.